Hi. Let's practice reading. U plus consonant plus E.
U.
Words. Use, muse, fuse, puke, cute, huge, mule.
Year.
Words. Cure. Next. Use, use, use. Huge, huge, huge. Fuse, fuse, fuse. Use the huge fuse. Use the huge fuse. Use the huge fuse. Next. Cute, cute, cute. Muse, muse, muse. Puke, puke, puke. The cute muse puked. The cute muse puked. The cute muse puked. Next. Cure, cure, cure. Mule, mule, mule. Can you cure the mule? Can you cure the mule? Can you cure the mule? Next.
U.
Words. Nuke, tube, dune. Use, use, use. Nuke, nuke, nuke. Don't use the nuke. Don't use the nuke. Don't use the nuke. Last. Tube, tube, tube. Dune, dune, dune. The tube is in the dune. The tube is in the dune. The tube is in the dune. Let's compare.
U. U. Cube, cub, cube, cub, cube, cub. Cute, cut, cute, cut, cute, cut. Use, us, use, us, use, us. Huge, hug, huge, hug, huge hug. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Tube, tub, tube, tub, tube, tub. Dude, dud, dude, dud, dude, dud.
Good job. Bye.